Hello all, welcome back to the Indian Value Investor. I am Suraj Subramanian, your investment guru. So today's video is about one of the most important topics, which is the insurance coverage for Corona COVID-19, that is the Corona Kavach. Corona is spreading pretty fast and we haven't been able to come out with any vaccine yet. The situation is starting to get a little out of control. Most of you would have seen photos of hefty hospital bills on WhatsApp and other social media sites for Corona treatment. It goes without saying that it is the best idea to go for a health insurance policy for covering yourself and your family to protect you at least from the financial burden. Insurance companies were a little apprehensive to give away health insurance policies to its customers ever since the breakout of Corona pandemic. That's when IRDA, the insurance regulator for insurance companies in India, stepped up and introduced a specific Corona-specific product called Corona Kavach. IRDA has mandated 30 insurance companies to sell this product called Corona Kavach. So in this video, I'd be discussing about the Corona Kavach policy that the leading general insurance company in India, the New India Assurance Company Limited, is offering. Corona Kavach is designed to be a standard insurance policy by IRDA. There would be very minor differences in the policies sold by different companies. I recommend that you watch this video thoroughly till the end so that you understand the coverages and limitations under this policy. So let's quickly get into the details of the policy. For any policy, the first question that we should be asking is who can be covered? This policy can be covered for people that are in the age group 18 to 65. Children can be covered provided that one or both their parents are covered by the policy. The next important question is about the sum insured in the policy. This policy offers a sum insured range from 50,000 up to 5 lakh rupees in multiples of 50,000. So this means that if you want a sum insured that is slightly higher than 50,000 rupees, the next option that you have is either 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh, 2 lakh, so on and so forth up to 5 lakh rupees. The next question is, can I cover my family members under this policy? Yes, this policy is designed on a floater basis as well. This means that you will be able to cover your family members, which includes yourself, your spouse, your children, your parents and your parent-in-laws. You can cover up to 10 members in a single policy. Having said that, the policy can be taken on floater basis as well as on individual sum insured basis. Now comes the most important question, what are the coverages under the policy? Once you are diagnosed positive in a government authorized diagnostic center, the policy pays for expenses for treatment under room rent, ICU charges, doctor charges, your PPE kits, masks, gloves and similar other expenses as well. Please note that the policy also pays for ambulance charges at a rate of ₹2,000 per hospitalization. The policy also provides a maximum total amount of 15,000 rupees for home treatment for a period of maximum 14 days if so prescribed by a medical practitioner. There is also an optional cover called the daily hospital cash. This provides 0.5% of the sum insured for every continuous 24 hours of hospitalization for a maximum of 15 days. So this means that if you have chosen a sum insured of 1 lakh rupees, you would be eligible for 500 rupees for every continuous 24-hour hospitalization for a maximum period of 15 days. Not just that, the policy also pays for pre-hospitalization expenses for a maximum period of 15 days prior to hospitalization and also post-hospitalization expenses for a maximum number of 30 days post-hospitalization. The next question is, what is the duration of the policy? Unlike other policies, this is a specially designed policy and the duration of policy is available in 3 options for the customers. The first option is 3.5 months or 105 days. The second option is 6.5 months or 195 days. The third option is 9.5 months or 285 days. Also, please note that there is no option for renewing this policy. Now, whether the policy covers treatment under Ayush. Now, before that, what is Ayush? A stands for Ayurveda, Y for Yoga, U for Unani, S for Siddha and H for Homeopathy. This policy covers for treatment expenses under Ayush as well. Now, this being a health insurance policy, whether there is a pre-medical checkup and what is the waiting period. This policy does not require a pre-medical checkup. The waiting period for the policy is 15 days. This means that you will have to wait for at least 15 days before you will be able to get benefits from this policy. The next important question is whether cashless facilities are available. The New India Assurance Company Limited provides cashless treatment in all its network hospitals pan India for Corona Kavach policy holders as well. Now, it is not enough to discuss just the coverages, but one should also be mindful of the exclusions under the policy. The major exclusions under the policy are: firstly, COVID diagnostic and treatment charges are not payable under the policy if it is not a positive case. Secondly, diagnostic charges are payable only if the tests are taken under a government authorized testing center. Thirdly, treatment costs for other than COVID-19 are specifically excluded under the policy. Fourthly, treatment costs where it is already diagnosed as positive before the beginning of the policy is also specifically excluded under the policy. I am sharing the prospectus of Corona Kavach policy as offered by the New India Assurance Company Limited in the description below for your deeper analysis and understanding. Now comes the discussion for premium. I am sharing the chart containing the premium rates for different age groups and different policy term periods. Please note that there is an additional discount of 5% for medical practitioners and females. Further, there is also an additional discount of 10% if you're availing the policy online. If you're suffering from any of the comorbid conditions like cancer, hypertension, diabetes, etc., there is also a loading of 30% in premium. The premium paid under this policy is also eligible for tax deduction under Section 80D. If you found this video useful, I request you to kindly share this video to your near and dear ones so that no one remains uninsured in tough times like these. I hope that I have clarified the coverages under Corona Kavach policy. But if you have any further questions to ask, please feel free to ask it in the comment section below. Thank you so much.